All right, hello everybody. My name is Zach Bryant. I'm the Manager of Clinical Analytics and Business Intelligence here at OM1, and I have a short presentation for you to kind of highlight some of the key features of our psoriasis PremiOM Dataset. So let's just get right into it. What you see here is that our dataset's comprised of 123,000 patients with a psoriasis indication that captures across 27.9 million encounters. So it is quite clinically deep, and we can see that there is a good distribution in encounters across EHR, medical record data sources, medical claims, and pharmacy claims. We see a nice distribution across age and geographic regions, and we can even kind of further filter down our analysis here into pediatric patients or patients between the ages of 0 or 18 and see that we have a pretty good density in pediatrics as well. Jumping into treatments, we can see that, across all of our different medications, we have quite a variety that get captured here through our medical claims data. If we want to kind of explore the different topical steroids, we can do that here. An example is we can see all the different topical steroids that is commonly prescribed for psoriasis. We can move up to the drug level and see how clobetasol gets collapsed into just the higher level drug. We can kind of drill down into that clobetasol to see, is it an emulsion base or is it a kind of a drug product for propionate? We can see the breakdown of, are the patients receiving that in cream, solution, ointment, or even get all the way down to the individual drug level. What might also be of interest is seeing, advanced therapies, biological DMARDs, and seeing, the line share goes to adalimumab with ustekinumab and secukinumab in quick second and third. Being able to also explore that in the same feature where we can drill down into adalimumab and see, how many patients are getting the pen injector versus the pre-filled syringe, or what the dosage forms of that might be based on a patient-by-patient basis. And then the other kind of hallmark feature of our psoriasis data set is that we enrich those patients with outcomes and clinical observations that you wouldn't otherwise be able to see with structured data. Here we can see we've been able to classify patients by their psoriasis severity or by the location of their psoriasis, whether that be the legs, the arms, the abdomen, what have you. We also can see how they're distributed over body surface area with a percent BSA score going all the way from 0 to 100. So what you're seeing here is the breakdown by psoriasis subtype. We can see that the lion's share, as we would expect for psoriasis, falls under plaque, but we have a good amount of guttate or scalp psoriasis subtypes that we are pulling out of the notes as well. We can jump over to psoriasis severity and see that while most patients fall into kind of that moderate to moderate severe zone, we do see it bounce with mild and severe cases as well. We can see that we are able to extract a wide variety of psoriasis locations across a bunch of different areas. And we see a good distribution of percent body surface areas across all of our patient population as well. As we would expect in psoriasis, most patients do fall under kind of this 20% total affected surface area line, and we can kind of see that there is decent banding at the kind of the 5-unit increments around 25, 30, 35, kind of all the way up to 80, 85-ish, 90. And lastly, a closer look at dermatology physician global assessment, a nice bell curve between 0 and 4. Other outcomes that we have in our data set include things like PsO subtype, itch severity scorings, itch location scorings, dermatology life quality indexes, and then a series of functional scoring for MDHAQ or otherwise. So that's a high-level overview of some of the items that you'd find in our psoriasis patient registry. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to schedule a meeting, reach out to us at info at om1.com. Thanks.